Linkage. On chromosome, number of genes are present. On one chromosome, two or more genes are present. The genes are called linkage genes or linkage group of genes. Linkage group of genes. Two or more genes to arrange on the same chromosome called linkage groups or linkage genes. Between these two genes or between the more genes, if linkage percentage is 100, the linkage percentage value is 100, they cannot produce no recombinants in the next generations. If between the two genes or between the more genes, the linkage percentage is below 100, at that time they can produce new recombinants in the next generations. Here it is, some linkage group of genes are present in following types. First one is in Drosophila. 4 linkage groups are present in 4 linkage chromosome pairs. In P, 7 linkage groups are present in 7 chromosome pairs. In Giamese, 10 linkage groups are present in 10 chromosomal pairs. In human beings, 23 pairs of linkage groups, 23 linkage groups are present in 23 pairs of chromosomes. Here it is, Mendel test grass. We observed Mendel test grass. First we know the test grass. F1 generations. F1 generations are heterozygotic in condition. In dihybrid grass or in monohybrid grass, the F1 generations are in heterozygotic conditions. That heterozygotic condition, F1 generation plants are crossed with recessive homozygotic plant. Recessive homozygotic plant called test grass. In Mendel test grass, F2 generation phenotypic ratio is 1:1:1:1:1. From these 4 phenotypes, 2 phenotypes are more in number. The 2 phenotypes are in more number. They are called parental phenotypes. They are called parental phenotypes. And the new phenotypes are newly developed by crossing over in F2 generation. These new phenotypes are called recombinant phenotypes. Recombinant phenotypes. In the Mendel test grass, the linkage percentage value is below 100. So they are independently, they means the genes are independently formed gametes. They are involved in the crossing over to form 4 different types of gametes. They are developed into 4 different types of phenotypes. In Morgan test grass, same, the F1 generation, heterozygotic F1 generations are crossed with recessive homozygotic parental plant. They can produce only 2 phenotypes in F2 generation. Only new phenotypes in F2 generation. In this Morgan test grass, linkage percentage value is exact 100. So in F2 generation, they can produce only parental phenotypes. There is no new offsprings. When they produce offsprings, If the linkage percentage value is below 100, at that time they produced new recombinants in F2 generation, including parental phenotypes. New recombinants are developed. It explained in the Mendel test grass. If the linkage percentage value is exact 100, they cannot produce new recombinants in F2 generations. Means that chromosomes are cannot participated in the crossing over. That chromosomes cannot participated in the crossing over. On the chromosome between the two genes, linkage percentage value is exact 100, so they cannot participate in the crossing over. They cannot produce new gametes, they cannot produce new recombinants in F2 generation. Only they can produce parental phenotypes in F2 generation. So in Morgan test grass, the parental phenotype F2 generation 1:1 only. By these two test grass, from these two test grass, Morgan explained chromosomal theory of linkage. Morgan explained chromosomal theory of linkage. From this chromosomal theory, on these chromosomes, genes are arranged on the one space or one place. That space or place are called locus of the gene. Locus of the gene means on the chromosome genes are arranged place. That place is called locus of the gene. Between these two chromosomes, linkage will explained by or shows by slash symbol. The linkage shows by the slash symbol. Here it is, the chromosomal theory of linkage, mainly two types. They are coupling linkage, second one repulsion linkage. First we discussed about coupling linkage. On one chromosome, two or more genes are present. They may be dominant or recessive in position. Means they are in homozygotic condition. On one chromosome, genes are present with a particular place. The place is called locus of gene. In this coupling linkage, the genes are arranged. Dominant genes capital A, B / capital AB are recessive genes small ab / small ab. This arrangement of genes called cis arrangement. This arrangement of linkage is called cis arrangement of linkage. And the next one, repulsion. On one chromosome, two or more genes are present. From these genes, some genes are in dominant position, some genes are in recessive position. So these chromosomes are in heterozygotic condition. These genes are in heterozygote. These chromosomes are in heterozygotic condition. The repulsion linkage shows with slash symbol, capital A, small b / small a, capital B. This type of linkage genes are called trans arrangement of genes. This type of arrangement is called trans arrangement. From these two chromosomal theories, we can explain coupling linkage and repulsion linkage with Betson-Punnett experiment. Betson-Punnett experiment. Here it is, Betson-Punnett scientists are explained coupling linkage and repulsion linkage in Lathyrus odoratus sweet pea. Lathyrus odoratus sweet pea. Coupling linkage means on the chromosome either dominant genes are present or recessive genes are present. This type of arrangement is called cis arrangement of genes or coupling arrangement of genes. Here it is in coupling linkage. The parental generations are contains parental generations of Lathyrus odoratus plants are contains capital B capital L slash capital B capital L genes. Capital B capital L means these are in dominant position. These are in dominant position. One parental plant of Lathyrus odoratus contains capital B capital L genes. These are express blue color flowers with long pollen grains. Blue color flowers with long pollen grains. Another parental generation of Lathyrus odoratus sweet pea contains small b small l slash small b small l genes. These are expressed red color flowers with round pollen grains. Red color flowers with round pollen grains. From these two parental plants, the gametes are from the blue color long pollen grains Lathyrus odoratus sweet pea, blue color long pollen grain gamete is developed, and recessive plant red color flowers with round pollen grains. From this plant, red color flower round pollen grain gamete is developed. These are fertilized to form F1 generation. These are fertilized to form F1 generation. F1 generations are in heterozygotic condition. They contain capital B capital L slash small b small l. The F1 generation plants are expressed blue color flowers with long pollen grains. The F1 generations are crossed with recessive homozygotic parental plant. The recessive homozygotic parental plants are contains small b small l slash small b small l. This type of crossing is called test cross. Heterozygotic F1 generations are crossed with recessive homozygotic parental plant called test cross. See, here it is from F1 generation zygote. F1 generation zygotes are produced 4 types of gametes. 4 types of gametes. From these 4 types of gametes, 2 types of gametes are similar to the parental gametes. They are capital B, capital L, small b, small l. These are similar to the parental gametes, and 2 are developed by crossing over. 2 gametes are developed by crossing over. That is capital B, capital L, small b, small l. These are participated in the crossing over. They can produce new gametes, recombinant gametes. The recombinant gametes are developed by crossing over only. Here it is, the recombinant gametes are small b, small capital L, capital B, small l. These are 2 recombinant gametes, and 2 are non-crossover. The non-crossover gametes are capital B, capital L, small b, small l. From these 4 gametes are fertilized with recessive homozygotic parental plant gamete to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, 4 phenotypes are identified. From these 4 phenotypes, 2 phenotypes are in more number and 2 phenotypes are in less number. The 2 phenotypes are in more number, they called parental phenotypes, and 2 phenotypes are in less number, they called recombinant phenotypes. The recombinant phenotypes are developed in less number, but parental phenotypes are developed in large number. Finally, in coupling linkage in F2 generation, total 427 plants are identified. From this 427 means F2 generation plants are, total plants are 427. From this 427, 192 plants are expressed blue color flowers, long pollen grains. Blue color flowers, long pollen grains means it is one type of parental plant. These are developed in more number. And 182 express blue red color flowers, round pollen grains. Red color flowers, round pollen grains. These are also similar to one type of parental plant. These are also developed in more number. Red color flowers, round pollen grain, Lathyrus odoratus plants are developed 182. Means from 427, majority of the plants are parental phenotypes. Here it is 192, one of the parental phenotype, 182 another parental phenotype, but in less number 23 and 30. The 23 Lathyrus odoratus plants are expressed blue color flowers, round pollen grains, and 30 plants are expressed red color flowers, long pollen grains. These two phenotypes are developed by crossover phenotypes. So these phenotypes are called recombinant phenotypes. So finally, we observed in F2 generation, phenotypic ratio is 7:1:1:7. These values are solved by following two principles. Here it is. First principle is offspring percentage. Offspring percentage is equal to recombinants by total generation into 100. Offspring percentage is equal to recombinants by total generation into 100. And linkage percentage, it is the second principle. Linkage percentage is equal to offspring percentage by 100 into 16. Offspring percentage by 100 into 16. From these two principles, we can solve these values 7:1:1:7 of phenotypic ratio of F2 generation in coupling linkage. We can solve these problems. Now, coupling ratio. What is coupling ratio of F2 phenotypic ratio? 7:1:1:7. How to came this 7:1:1:7? Here it is from these two principles. What are the two principles? Offspring percentage is equal to recombinants by total generations into 100. It is, we can estimate the 192 offsprings are belongs to capital B, capital L. Capital B, capital L means blue color flowers, long pollen grains. Blue color flowers, long pollen grains are 192 developed out of 427 into 100. The value is 44.9. We estimate that the exact value is 45. We take an exact roundup value is 45. It is offspring percentage value. That offspring percentage value insertion into linkage percentage value, linkage percentage principle. What is the linkage percentage? Here it is offspring percentage by 100 into 16. Linkage percentage is equal to offspring percentage by 100 into 16. What is offspring percentage? Here it is 45. Mean 45 by 100 into 16. The value is 7.2. Which value it is? Blue color flowers, long pollen grains, Lathyrus odoratus parental plant linkage percentage is 7.2. Here it is, we take 7.2 value. And the next one is 182 plants also developed out of 427. What are the 182 plants? The 182 plants are belongs to red color flowers with round pollen grains. Red color flowers with round pollen grains. Red color flowers with round pollen grains means small b express red color flowers, small l express round pollen grains. These are developed 182 in F2 generation. offspring percentage is equal to recombinants by total generation into 100. What are the recombinants here? It is parental recombinants 182 by 427 into 100. The offspring percentage value is 43. The 43 insertion into linkage percentage. What is linkage percentage? Linkage percentage is equal to offspring percentage by 100 into 16. That value is 6.88. The 6.88 value is linkage percentage value of capital small b small l. Small b small l means red color flowers, round pollen grains. Here it is, we take small b small l value, red color flowers, round pollen grains value is 6.88. We take round value is 7. Here also we take round values 7. 7.2 means 7. Here it is, between these two genes we identified less number of recombinants. Less number of recombinants. The recombinants here, first recombinant here it is capital B small l, capital B small l. Capital B small l means, capital B means blue color flowers, small l means round pollen grains. The round pollen grains, blue color flowers are 23 plants out of 427. They are insertion into offspring percentage, recombinants by total generation into 100. That value is 5.3. The 5.3 value is belongs to offspring percentage value. It is inserted into the linkage percentage value. What is mean of linkage percentage? Offspring percentage by 100 into 16. Here it is, offspring percentage value is 5.3. It is insertion into the linkage percentage value. The linkage percentage value is 0.85. The 0.85 value is blue color flowers, round pollen grains, Lathyrus odoratus linkage percentage. Here it is 0.85. We take round of value is 1. And the remaining recombinants, new recombinants are 30. The 30 plants are red color flowers with long pollen grains. Red color flowers with long pollen grains. Here it is offspring percentage. Recombinants by total generation into 100. What are the recombinants? 30 out of 427 into 100. The value is 7. Offspring percentage value is 7. It is insertion into the linkage percentage value. Linkage percentage value is 7 by 100 into 16. The exact value is 1.12 of small b capital L. Small b capital L. Small b means red color flowers. Capital L means long pollen grains. The exact value is 1.12. Round up here it is 1. Finally, we arranged these phenotypes in dominant position to recessive position. Dominant position to recessive position. Here it is, dominant position plants are placed at first. What are the dominant plants? Here it is capital B, capital L, blue color flowers, long pollen grains. They are arranged at the first place. The first place exact value is 7.2. We take round up value is 7. Then after, heterozygotic plants. Heterozygotic plants means they containing dominant genes with recessive genes. They are arranged in the second place. After the dominant place, we arranged heterozygotic plants. Here it is heterozygotic plants, blue color flowers, round pollen grains. Exact value is 0.85. We round up, here it is 1. And the next heterozygotic plants, red color flowers, long pollen grains. The value is, linkage percentage value is 1.12. We take round up value is 1. And completely recessive homozygotic plants are arranged at the last place. Small b, small l. Small b, small l means red color flowers, round pollen grains. These are developed 6.88 linkage percentage. We take round up value is 7. Finally, we arranged these genes from the dominant to recessive position. The phenotypic ratio of F2 generation is 7:1:1:7. It is a coupling linkage. F2 generation phenotypic ratio.